How to set up Apple Cash under 18 years old. Here's the video tutorial. Open settings on your iPhone device. Tap on your name at the top. Then select family sharing. Tap add member if your child isn't added yet and follow the steps to invite them to your family group. Once they're added, tap on their name, then tap Apple Cash. Set up Apple Cash for them. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and complete setup. Now on your child's phone, they can open the wallet app and they'll see their own Apple Cash card ready to go. Bonus tip, you can manage their spending, lock the card, or view transactions anytime from your wallet under Apple Cash family. That's it. Now your child is set up with Apple Cash and can send, receive, and spend money, all under your supervision. Hope this video helps and thank you for watching.